place has been pretty amazing so far. This is actually my first time here in the Pacific, and we were told this the place was $20, but it actually went up to $25. Still not bad. It includes a free drink, whatever the drink of the day is, alcohol. Today it was actually orange. What is it? A screwdriver, right? So you get one on the house, or included, and you get a horse ride or a horse walk. We're gonna find out what we get. But yeah, this is the black sand beach, and ooh, these are strong. Amazing.
Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and tap that bell notification for more videos of our trip.